Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys also very much for joining me. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. Today guys, I want to bring you another fab haul from Poundland. And this is kind of like a Christmas haul for me. I've just bought loads of bits and pieces, some for the charity, some for myself, some to give away to people that I know. But I wanted to show you guys, with you guys, some of the fun fab stuff that I was able to pick up in Primark. I probably will do a video. Let me know if you guys are interested in the comment section if you want me to do a video where I go around Poundland and show you all of the Christmas stuff, because I wouldn't be able to buy it all, but I can definitely go in store and show you guys everything that they have. But I've picked up a few things today and I wanted to share them with you. So I hope you enjoy. Now let's get started. So the first thing that I bought are 3 packs of these little chocolate milk coins. I love these. I think they're a lot of fun. But, oh, maybe don't drop them is a good thing. You get 7 gold coins inside the little pack for £1. They're solid chocolate. Inside these chocolate are milk chocolate. You can get them in white chocolate, but I usually buy the milk chocolate because what I do is when I'm giving somebody a little Christmas card, especially around work or my neighbors, I put a little chocolate coin inside, which I always think is really nice. It's nice to get a card, but I think it's also maybe nice just to get that little extra bit of chocolate. So I always think that's a nice thing to do. The next thing that I bought are a triple pack of, oh guys, if I didn't mention, these are £1, meant to do that, so sorry. Inside the, what I also bought, excuse me, is this little triple pack of lip balms. You get original, aloe vera and strawberry, and I will be breaking these up to put these into individual packs for the charity, because I make their little bundles up. So I like to put in some beauty products, some useful products, and something just for them. Maybe a box of chocolates or a bottle of perfume or something. I'm not really sure, but I'll be breaking these up. So we got 3 for £1, which I thought was excellent value. Sorry if everything falls down. We had to change where I normally film these videos because we're getting some work done. So I found the spot that suited next best, and this is what we've got. The next thing is I love jelly tots, and there is something about these tubes that I really like. I cannot help myself but grab them when it comes to Christmas. These are £1.50 each, or you can currently get them at 2 for £2.50. I think that's super expensive, but they're the same price everywhere. So I picked myself up 2. This is just one I'm showing you guys, but these are certainly, for me, they are delish and yum. I bought you guys can't even see. I bought this lovely pair of slippers. These are from Pep & Co. They're men's, size medium, which is a 42 to 43 euro. And they are £4 or €5. These are super soft, super spongy, and full of stuffing, but they are super soft and super spongy. And what I like about them is they've got the hard bottom. So that means if you need to nip out back to put rubbish in the bin or something, the bottoms don't get soaked, so your feet don't get soaked. So I really like these, and I thought that was great for £4. And if you're looking for a little Christmas treat, you could pop those right in. I then bought some socks. So again, I bought little from Pep & Co. 5 pair of socks. They are, I don't know what 2.5 to 5. Oh, they're size 2 to 5. I nearly did not get that right. So they're €1.30. In Europe, they're 35 to 38, and they are £2 or €2.50. And they come in these really nice autumn colors. So I have a cocky green, a lighter green color. We have a beige, a white, and then a tan color. And for £2, I thought that was really great. Again, I will break these up and put 1 pair in per pack along with the other bits and pieces for the charity. I then went ahead and I bought some more socks, men's socks. Again, I'll break these up and put them into 4 packs so that everybody gets a pair of socks each. These were £2.50 or €3. They are men's size 68. In Europe, they're 39 to 42, and I just loved the pattern. So you've got some little campsite scenery on this one. Then we have a plain green with blue. We have some checkered. We have, I think this is another campsite one. And I just thought they were really nice for £2.50. I then went and I bought these little aftershaves so that I could pop one of these into each of the men's little the charity bags into the men's charity bags. I bought this one. This is Pure Elegance Parfum. It's 100 milliliters, and they did have little testers out, so I was able to smell these, and they do smell really, really, really good. This one was my favorite, so I bought 2 of these. And then I got Midnight Parfum. Parfum. Is that femme, girls, man? I'm not really sure. But I bought this one. These are Odette. This is an Odette de Parfum. This is an Eau de Toilette, 100 milligrams. This was really, really nice. This one was Him Parfum, Eau de Toilette, and they're all 100 milliliters. I thought that was really great. I've put these in packs before from Poundland, and I've always got, I don't personally give these gifts to anyone. I donate these to the local charities so that they can then give them out. I usually stay quite anonymous, but I do love giving back. And anytime I get feedback from the teams, I say to them, what did people really like? What were they really interested in? Because then that will encourage me to buy something similar. So I got really good feedback that they loved the aftershaves, they loved the socks, they loved slippers, they loved candy. So that's what I generally tend to do. Hats, scarves, gloves, those kind of things. So just to let you know that I'm not just randomly buying things that I think people want. I do genuinely ask for feedback. I thought these were fun. These are over 30 pieces of elf stickers. They're £1 here, and they're the puffy stickers, which I really liked. And I thought these would be a lot of fun to put on the kids' toy packs that I'm making. If I have done how I make those toy packs on the channel before. If you guys are interested in those videos, let me know, and I will throw a link up to those. But I do love to put little stickers on the packs. What I basically do is I get cardboard boxes that I save the whole year, and I cut them out and I cover them in wrapping paper, and then I attach 4 or 5 toys to the actual wrapping paper on the cardboard. I then cover that in cellophane, and then I like to make it a little bit more interesting by adding little stickers. So I thought these stickers were fun. For the last couple of years, I'll let you see them up close. For the last couple of years, I've used puffy stickers, Santa Claus puffy stickers from the works, but I thought these were so much more fun. So I really, really like these, and I probably will go back and get another pack. So they were only £1, and that was awesome. I purchased 2 of these. These are Body Stories Spa Shimmering Bath Soak. Relax in indulgent shimmering bubbles, leaving your skin silky smooth. Infused with aloe vera, jojoba oil, and provitamin E B5. It also says that it is indulgent spa fragrance, and it's vegan friendly. I thought these were beautiful. You're getting 250 ml, and if you guys, I'm buying these to put these into the charity packs just because I think they're awesome. This was only £1, and the shimmer on this, like the iridescence, can you actually see it? It is beyond stunning in this gorgeous rose gold color. Absolutely beautiful. I'm buying these to put these into the charity pack, but you guys can absolutely buy these and make a gift basket for a friend or a family member or for someone. And these will look phenomenal. Really, really phenomenal. The other thing that I bought is from Pep and Co Home, I bought these 3 dish sets. I think these were £3, these were not, these were £2.50 or €3. They were £2.50 and I couldn't get these for £2.50 anywhere else. I wanted these for my Christmas table for dips, and I thought these were a perfect size, not too big, not too small, and you get a set of 3. They're so adorable and cute. Even on Temu, I couldn't get these little ceramic dishes for £2.50. So I thought that was pretty nice. And then in this video, or for this video, should I say, the last item I want to show you guys is something that I thought was really, really great. To go along with the body stories, in the section that they have for Christmas, which is where I found most of this stuff apart from the slippers and the little dip dishes. That was hard to say, dip dishes. They have an Oh Honey range of stuff, which I thought was great. So I decided to pick up one of them. They did have this gorgeous bath, like bath, honey bath, bubble bath. It comes in a hexagon style bottle, and it had the little honey scooper that you scoop the honey out with, but nobody I know has a bath. We all have showers, and I didn't know whether to pick it up or not. It was $1.25, and I may go back and pick up a couple of those for the charity, and if I do, I'll definitely show you guys what it looks like. But I thought these were amazing, so I bought this one. This one, I believe, I can't even remember how much it was. If I'm being honest, I think it was £2 or £2.50. But I think that's great value. Love the packaging, love the honey look. And inside you get a lip and face mask duo. Look at the container, looks like a jar of honey. It is jelly face mask. Inside you get the little applicator for putting on the face mask, and you get an Oh Honey lip mask. So you've got the Oh Honey jelly face mask and the Oh Honey lip mask made by Body Stories. And I thought this was adorable. Super duper duper cute. For £2 or £2.50. And again, I really wish I had kept the receipt. I didn't. I don't even think I took the receipt, if I'm honest. I don't think I did, but £2.50 I think is really, really great price for both of these, because anywhere else you may pay £3-4 for a lip mask, and for a face mask like this you definitely pay over £2. So this is really, really, for me, this is excellent value. I'm just going to pop it there. Well guys, that's everything that I have to show you in this little haul, and I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a comment in the comment section below. I really love seeing your comments, and I always respond just as soon as I can. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do that. That would be absolutely amazing, and feel free to share. I would really love it if you guys help to grow my channel. So thank you guys so much. Please take care. Please stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.